This is one of the Teramo dining sets from Ercol. We've got it shown here with the Alia chairs, but there are other dining chairs you can have as well. As you can see, it's a small oval table that then extends outwards with a butterfly leaf that's stored in the middle to make a much larger dining area. So when it's closed down, it's quite suitable for a more compact dining area, but you can open it out for extra space whenever required when you've got extra guests or family members coming round for a meal. The finish on the actual wood is a clear matte, and it's primarily an oak range, and as standard there's just the one colour on the dining chair seats, which is a nice neutral shade. Lovely dining set, and of course there's plenty more Teramo furniture you can have to match this, whether it be the Teramo bedroom range or also the Teramo living and dining collection. Another great range from Ercol Furniture, and we offer free delivery across mainland England, Wales and southern Scotland.